What if the meat on your plate was never part of an animal? No farms, no slaughter, no fields, just cells, grown in a lab, engineered for taste, designed for the future. It might sound unnatural, even unsettling, but this technology could solve one of humanity's biggest problems. How do we feed billions without destroying the planet? The global demand for food is exploding. More people, more consumption, more pressure on land, water, and animals. Traditional farming is struggling to keep up, and the environmental cost is massive. So scientists asked a bold question. What if we could grow food without growing the whole animal? And that's where lab-grown food begins. Lab-grown food, also called cultivated food, is made by growing real animal cells in controlled environments. It starts with a tiny sample of cells, taken safely, without harm. These cells are placed into a nutrient-rich solution, where they begin to multiply, just like they would inside an animal. Over time, they form tissue, real muscle, real fat. In other words, real meat, but grown outside the body. Inside specialized labs, scientists use bioreactors, machines that act like artificial bodies. They control temperature, oxygen levels, nutrient supply, growth signals. The cells are guided to grow into structured tissue, replicating the texture of meat. Some products look like ground meat. Others are evolving into full cuts, like steaks. No antibiotics, no hormones, no slaughterhouses, just precision-grown food. Now here's where it gets powerful. Lab-grown food could use up to 90% less land, use significantly less water, reduce greenhouse gas emissions, eliminate animal suffering. And because it's grown in controlled environments, there's less risk of contamination, no outbreaks from poor farm conditions. It's cleaner, safer, and potentially more efficient. The big question everyone asks, does it taste real? Because here's the truth. It is real. Same cells, same structure, same proteins. In blind taste tests, many people can't tell the difference. Some even say it's better, because it can be optimized for flavor. Imagine meat, designed to be perfect. But it's not all smooth. Right now, lab-grown food is expensive. Very expensive. Early prototypes cost thousands per serving. Though prices are dropping fast, scaling production is still a challenge. There's also public perception. People ask, is it safe? Is it natural? Will it replace farmers? And governments are still figuring out regulations. So while the science is ready, society is still catching up. Now imagine this. Cities with their own food labs, producing fresh meat locally. No long supply chains. No refrigerated transport across continents. Just fresh food grown nearby. In the future, we might see lab-grown chicken nuggets in fast food, cultivated seafood without overfishing, custom-designed nutrition for individuals, even exotic meats without harming rare animals. Food becomes programmable. But here's the real question. Will people accept it? Because food isn't just science. It's culture, emotion, tradition. Some will embrace it. Others will reject it. And that tension will shape the future of what we eat. Lab-grown food isn't just about technology. It's about survival, sustainability, and rethinking everything we know about food. From farms, to factories, to laboratories, the way we eat is changing. And soon, the question won't be, is this lab-grown? But, why wasn't it always this way?